Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how you can transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started with that. So there's no direct transfer from Cash App to PayPal is available, but in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple alternative method on how you can simply perform this process, which is to transfer money from your Cash App to your PayPal. So let's get started. First thing is to send money from your Cash App to your link account, which is your bank account. Then add money to your PayPal from the same account. Then use a debit card if eligible. If your Cash App card is active, link it to your PayPal as a payment method. Then withdraw funds from your Cash App and use them via your PayPal, and that's how you can simply send money from your Cash App to your PayPal. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.